If you could like not abduct people at court, that'd be awesome.
Huh?
Doesn't seem like they're expecting it.
Sorry.
I think you guys did it.
Why are you hiding the like location?
You gotta pay for those. Yeah. You gotta pay for it.
Oh, he needs backup. Skip leg day and arm day. Get lots of Candy Crush time in on your phone before this.
Oh my god, did you see that one guy who was jerking off in his squad car? That was fucking hilarious. That was your cousin?
That was your cousin was jerking off in a squad car?
Y'all ever jerk off together?
That's freaky, officer.
Wait. That is a personal question. I'm sorry.
Why the fuck did the police do this?
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's just really careless of them.
OnlyFans support Israel. That OnlyFans support Oh yeah,
I
right.
don't know why they fucking did this. Why did you
One
do
ride
this?
is enough. Did you come in on a car?
Why the fuck did you do this?
How much is your salary? How much do you make?
Yeah, it's just gonna
You
get in the
shouldn't be
way.
blocking the building. That's fucked up. Oh, dirt?
Guys, I know you won't listen, but I just want to tell you. Go
Seattle-
fuck yourself,
the
pig.
Seattle Police
Go
Department wants
fuck
you to
yourself,
have your-
pig.
have your message out, okay?
All
Stop abducting our neighbors! Stop abducting our neighbors!
SPD, KKK, IOF, they're all
You
the
got
same.
photos of you doing this.
KKK,
You doing
IOF,
this
they're all the same.
No knives.
We are all stockholders in line. I can't believe you fucked this up. They pay your salary. How you sleeping at night with you telling your kids how you abduct people? How you support ICE?
How come you don't get a bigger house?
Dang. Oh.
Don't you have like really big houses?
Yes,
Like, wouldn't that be cool?
Why is the Department of Homeland Security complicit with
Yeah.
I thought SPD wasn't gonna help the DHS. What happened to
How
that?
come they never have big guns though?
They have little dicks.
What the fuck?
We already backtracking?
Telling your kids.
What was that like gay porn with the... I think that kind of lied to me. Like, I was expecting wait.
Or some baby or some real labor.
Oh my god.
Casino's husband type shit.
I mean, good for her
Sure,
though,
telling
right?
your
Good
mom
for
and
her.
dad, they can be real proud.
Oh, that's kind of nasty.
Have you ever felt love? I doubt it.
Get a real job. Get a real trash man. Fucking hold yourself, and dumb fucking pigs.
You know, I hear those online distributors get paid pretty well. I mean, you have perfect form.
Can you pick up the trash?
I think you're only encouraging him. That's why he kind of got into this, you know?
She used to drink at my bar.
Oh no!
All the time. She is
Oh. Oh, what
I
happened?
mean, at least she's helping. This dude ain't doing much. Just comes in, complains.
Yeah, dead eye just stands there.
Just stand there now. Not setting a very good example for our city. Old white men don't work. Old white men don't work, apparently.
Nah. They'll make women, brown or black people do it though.
Yep.
Typical.
Like this little strapped up pig.
Yeah. Zoe loves being a pig.
Wait a second, isn't that illegal? Y'all can't be doing that. Can you pull yourself over? Are you allowed to do that?
They're already tired.
I think they might be a little overstimulated.
Long day. Long day doing nothing. The SPD and DHS.
Well, they did this.
Oh, that's
Plenty
true.
of time. I can see why you're tired.
Put your toys back. Put your toys in the bin.
Of course he supports
Oh yeah.
it.
Look at that.
He's the KKK.
He hella supports it.
He's probably late to a Klan meeting already. That's why he's so pissed.
He's more worried about his button. He didn't do his shirt right this morning.
Damn, his boyfriend's gonna be mad.
Fuck his grinder date.
La migra, la promesía,
Woo! Arm day, glute day, all the day, yeah. Boy's going to work. We need backup. I spilled all this garbage everywhere.
Who doesn't she like?
She's mad.
Oh.
You okay with kidnapping?
Why are you? Alright, let's use method up close. Just a little how to.
How come you guys only have one night? I mean, that seems like an oversight.
Because they have one guy doing all the work.
Oh my god. How do you feel like being so supervised? You have 3 people just watching you do all the work.
Yeah.
I didn't notice this, but like, you are kind of doing all of it.
Hey guys, try not to break things. Remember what I asked you to do. Okay?
Fuck off.
Oh, he's mad.
Oh wait, they're doing it again.